Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add an audio input capture or how to add an audio source. First things first, if you guys want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is head over to your sources. It'll be at the bottom of your OBS. Just go ahead and press the plus sign. And then at the top here, you're going to see there's a couple of different things. You can add an audio input capture. You can add a application audio capture or audio output capture. For this, I'll go to audio input capture. We'll just go ahead and press OK. And then as you see, I can right click on these three little dots and then go to properties, and then I can choose where I want it to pick up my audio. As you see, I picked my Scarlett 2i2 for this again, and then as you see, it goes ahead and will start picking up my audio. There's a couple different things you can go ahead and do to it and things like that. Now, as you see, sometimes when you get your microphone onto it, it'll only pick it up in one ear, because if your mic is connected to a sound system or whatever the heck it's called, then you're going to want to actually change it to mono so that it's picked up within both ears of your recording. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.